Are you excited?
Yes, I can't believe this day is here. How do I look?
You look absolutely beautiful. Are you nervous?
A little, but mostly happy. Did you sleep well last night?
Not really, I was too excited. What was your first thought this morning?
That I'm marrying the love of my life. Do you like my dress?
I love it, you look stunning. Are you ready for the big moment?
Yes, I've been waiting for this day. Did you like my wedding vows?
They were perfect and made me emotional. How do you feel walking down the aisle?
Like a dream come true. What do you think of the decorations?
They are beautiful, just like you wanted. Are you happy with our wedding venue?
Yes, it's perfect for us. Did you cry during the ceremony?
A little, I couldn't help it. How do you feel now that we're married?
So happy and full of love. What was your favorite moment today?
Seeing you walk down the aisle. Are you enjoying the reception?
Yes, it's so much fun. How's the food?
Delicious, I'm glad we picked this menu. Do you like our wedding cake?
Yes, it's beautiful and tastes amazing. Are you tired yet?
A little, but I'm too happy to care. Did you like our first dance?
Yes, it was magical. Are you enjoying the music?
Yes, the DJ is great. Do you like my suit?
You look so handsome. What do you think of our wedding photos so far?
They look amazing. Are you excited for our honeymoon?
Yes, I can't wait. Are you happy with everything today?
Yes, it's been perfect. Are you ready to spend forever with me?
Yes, I wouldn't want anything else.
What was the funniest moment today?
When your nephew ran onto the dance floor. Did you enjoy talking to all the guests?
Yes, it was wonderful to see everyone. What are you looking forward to most after today?
Starting our life together. Can we do this all over again?
Yes, it's been the best day ever. Do you love me?
With all my heart, forever. Can you believe we're finally married?
No, it feels like a dream. Did you see how happy our parents were?
Yes, they looked so proud.
What do you think of my bouquet?
It's beautiful, just like you. Are you happy with our wedding dance?
Yes, we did great.
Are you feeling emotional?
A little, but mostly excited.
How does it feel wearing a wedding ring?
It feels perfect.
How does it feel to be married?
It feels amazing.
Are you happy with our wedding?
Yes, it was perfect.
What was your favorite part of the wedding?
Our first dance.
Do you like our new home?
Yes, it's cozy.
What should we cook for dinner?
Let's make pasta.
When should we go on our honeymoon?
Next month, maybe.
Where do you want to go?
Somewhere by the beach.
How do you like married life so far?
I love it.
What should we do this weekend?
Let's go for a picnic.
Who should we invite for dinner?
Maybe our parents.
What's our next big plan?
Decorating our house.
Do you want a pet?
Yes, a dog.
How do you like my cooking?
It's delicious.
What should we do for our first anniversary?
A romantic trip.
Do you want to watch a movie tonight?
Yes, let's pick a comedy.
What's your favorite thing about me?
Your smile.
Do you like my surprises?
I love them.
Should we plan a weekend getaway?
That sounds great.
What do you want for breakfast?
Pancakes and coffee.
How can I make you happy?
Just be yourself.
Do you like our wedding photos?
Yes, they're beautiful.
What's one thing you love about marriage?
Always having you by my side.
Should we start a new hobby together?
Yes, maybe painting.
What's the best gift I've given you?
Your love.
What's your dream vacation?
A trip to Paris.
What makes you feel loved?
Your hugs.
Should we host a game night?
That sounds fun.
Do you believe in soulmates?
Yes, and you're mine.
What's your favorite memory of us?
Our wedding.
Are you ready for a lifetime with me?
Absolutely. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more English learning videos.